The ABC song form is a three-part song. It's marked by its ability to create a linear build. The A section presents the main theme or melody of the song. This is where the core ideas or the story are introduced. In pop, this is the verse or chorus section. Melodic repetition is used within the section to establish familiarity. The B section is in contrast with the A section. This could be a change in melody, rhythm, or just the overall emotional tone. The purpose of the B section is to create tension or develop the narrative, adding depth to the song. Can often take the form of a brief pre-chorus. The C section further enriches the song by introducing yet another contrasting idea or theme. This section may present a new melody, a variation of the previous themes, or even be an instrumental break. The C section serves as the climax or resolution point within the song, and it will naturally lead back to the A section. This could look like smooth transitions will lend themselves to an easy evolution of the narrative, while abrupt transitions between the sections can cause a sense of surprise. Today's TuneUp challenge? I look forward to hearing your songs inside the Tuneagers Club.